sleep, eat some more, and watch movies, scrolling through social media. My day is separated into two different parts. Morning, light breakfast, hit the gym, and then in the afternoon, I go and run. I need a haircut and probably save my beard. Even though I constantly upload week in, week out, life doesn't seem like it is for me personally. See, I think, procrastinate a lot lately, and life gets in my way, and I feel out of touch creatively and artistically. So my day have been a waste of time. Let me explain. Here is the things that keep me occupied all the time. The things that I do every day that don't benefit me. These are the things that keep me away from the things that I'm supposed to do. These are the things that stop me from growing as a person and as a productive individual. They are like demons in my life that stop me from actually doing something. They are more fun and easy to do. They are like magnets, pulls me away from productivity. And these are the things that I don't do that I should be spending more time on. These are the things which is my bread and butter. And not only that, these are my interests. I love doing these things. I enjoy the process of doing these things. Putting everything in a pie chart will clearly show how much time I waste. I spend almost 70% of the day doing non-beneficial things, around 25% on the beneficial things, the things that will help me grow, and 5% is the gray area. Things I must do. These are the things that I have to do in order to battle the laziness that overcome me without realizing it. This is my priority now. I don't know. I'm still working on the color palette. I just really need to find my place, like a unique color palette for my vlog. Still haven't got it right yet. By any means necessary, I have to focus on these things in order to prosper in life and in the creative space. These are the things that I must do. Things that I should pay a little attention to. These are my demons, the negative emotions. These are the things that drive me away from my main goal, to be a better person and a better content creator, to prosper and fruitful. These are the things that I will do, but in a minimal basis. Anyway, last week not a freak accident, but an accident happened here at the university. Yeah, right there, right behind me. This one. That truck, right there. That truck. I'll show the video. There was no harm or injuries during the accident, so everyone was safe. There was no accidents. So anyway, this is my initial plan for the next 2 months to see how proactive I'm gonna be after trying to schedule up this new schedule for me. So see you in the next one.